Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi K70 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. Let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, however it does not really matter. What I wanted to show you or say is that I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so basically they should disappear. So in order to reset the settings, we have to unroll the upper panel with the options. Just swipe your finger from the top to the center like that, and here we've got the options. Let's enter the settings which are in the right upper corner of this panel, and now scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Default Settings. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. As you can see, the settings flashed a little bit so let's go back to the camera and check. And as you can see, here we've got actually the very first evidence, because our device asks us about the access to the location. And there we've got the second evidence actually, because we have to select the style in which our device will take photos. So for example, this one. And the third final evidence is that the grid lines are not visible. So we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.